Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Tonight is the last night in Vegas and I'm really sad. It's the holiday of a lifetime, but it's only just beginning. The next part I'll be going to San Francisco. So if you want to check out San Francisco, please like, subscribe and share and watch out for San Francisco. I'm just running for the traffic lights here. You have to be really quick for the traffic lights. It's a bit crazy. So, Vegas, 4 days, it's been brilliant. My thoughts on it, I absolutely loved it. It's just amazing. I never thought I would go to America, and here I am. So, it's all in a lifetime. Vegas, San Francisco, and then New York. Now, I'll do a video in each place, saying what my favourite parts were. And the things that I did, we did the Mob Museum, the Museum of Punk Rock, the Pinball Hall of Fame, the Blue Man Group, the Titanic artifact exhibition, and the Bodies exhibition. And I think that's what I've done. I've been busy doing videos going about all the different hotels, so you can check this if you want to see all the different hotels. I've done walking tours of them. So, what do you think was my favourite? Well, it has to be said, the Mob Museum, that was fantastic. It's the best museum I've ever been in. It was so good. I was literally in there for hours. Most museums you go in and I just went out again. Do you know, but there I was there for ages. Even the gift shop was excellent. I was looking and what do you want here? There's just so many things. And I really thought carefully what I got. So, the first thing was a fridge magnet. So I got a fridge magnet, and I thought I got a t-shirt, so I got another t-shirt. And the other thing I got, a day big wads of $100 bills. It's stacked like that, and it's like origami paper, but it looks quite convincing. Now, I haven't opened it up or anything, but in the gambling capital of the world, I'm going to take it home and I'm going to show my wife, Jacqueline, and I'm going to say, look how much I won at that casino, and watch her face light up as she thinks, wow, he's just made a fortune. And then I let her kind of celebrate for a bit, then I rip it up. Yes, I can be evil. I love a good prank. So, aye, I've got that to look forward to. Second place, Blue Man Group. Blue Man Group was good. Absolutely hilarious. I loved it. Third place, well, it's between the Pinball Hall of Fame and the Punk Rock Hall of Fame. And that's a hard one, because I had more interest in the Punk Museum, and I got to take my photo with Joe Strummer's guitar and Lemmy's outfit, so it's a hard one. The Pinball Hall of Fame, it was good. It's hard to call, so I'm going to have to say a tie on that. I like both. I know they're wildly different things, but then I hang on my favourite things. I don't know. The hotels that I've been in, just in the lobby doing walking tours. I've done Excalibur, obviously the Luxor, done that. New York. I didn't film it, but I was in the MGM Grand this morning for breakfast. I can't remember the name of the restaurant, but the breakfast was lovely. It was really good. I've been in the Venetian. I was in Caesar's Palace. I didn't do a walking tour of that one either. I was in company, so didn't do that. The Venetian. So I've got a copyright strike here, I think. Venetian, the Paris. Now, out of them, what I thought was my favourite? Well, I'll start from the least, Excalibur. Wasn't too keen on that. Then I'd have to say New York. I liked it, but I like both, but that's the order I would do it in. Then I think it'd be the Luxor. Then probably Caesar's Palace, I think. It didn't have the jaw-dropping thing for me, I don't think. But what did have the jaw-dropping effect was Paris and the Venetian. So, try to pick out the two, it's really, really hard. I want to say the Venetian, but I'm going to have to say it's a tie, I think. Food-wise, oh sorry, thank you very much. Food-wise, I think, well, I didn't film all of them, but there's Denny's, which was good, but I'll kind of put that at the bottom. Then Nathan's hot dog, that was really good. Then, how many the other ones? The place this morning when I got breakfast, that was really good. I wish I could remember the name of it. But my number one place that I tried, Ramsay's Fish and Chips, Gordon Ramsay's Fish and Chips. Amazing, absolutely loved it. Highly recommended. If you come to Vegas, take it for a Scotsman. Fish and chips is basically our national dish. Well, sorry, in Britain it's a kind of national dish. Scotland it's haggis, steeps and tatties. But Gordon Ramsay's Fish and Chips, it's got to be tried. Anyway, I'm going to go now, and all I'd just like to say is please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in San Francisco. Thank you very much. Bye bye.